Hello, good morning. So today I'm making Avial. There are so many versions of making Avial, but Onam Avial is very different. Use as many vegetables as you can, mainly the white pumpkin, yellow pumpkin, and definitely green mango. So for this Onam Avial, we don't use curd, we don't use tamarind water, tamarind pulp, nothing. It's the green mango that gives the sour taste. So first cook the vegetables that take longer time like your carrots, aloo, the raw green banana if you're using those type of vegetables. First cook them halfway through. Add little curry leaves, little bit of turmeric powder and salt and cook it halfway through. Once it's half done, add the rest of the vegetables. I'm adding eggplant, white pumpkin, yellow pumpkin, some green beans. So add everything and cook it. I don't like my vegetables to be mushy mashy, so I won't cook it 100%. Just 80% cook it and then add your coconut paste. Coconut paste is as usual coconut, green chilies, and cumin seeds. Don't grind it very smooth. Just add very little water and coarse grind it. It should be dry. And then add it on top of the vegetables and cook it for another 3-4 minutes. And then finally, you have to add some coconut oil. Again, this dish doesn't have any tadka, so just add some fresh coconut oil right on top in the very end. When you add coconut oil, the whole house will smell so wonderful. It'll make you so hungry. It's just a beautiful flavor. So try this and let me know if you liked it. Avial, a must dish for any sadhya.